Hello friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So today we are going to look into the second module of the lightning, the component basics. So herein we are going to see the create lightning, the component basics part, and we are going to see here what are the we already have gone through this, like what is HTML file here, what does template, what does the template tags do, and also like what are the JavaScript files which we do, what is the web which we write. And so let us see, let me go to the questions. We should make a point about this. What is at the rate of API? Does it makes marks the field as public? And also what does track does? So basically whenever a field contains an object in our array, so you want to, if you want to make the observe the changes of the properties, then or the elements of an array, then you should use the track at the rate track. And this is another way at the rate wire. It provides an easy way to bind, like get data, send data from the Salesforce org from into the Salesforce org. Now we'll see if we are able to earn some 100 points with this module. Which of the following is true of the template tag? So it looks like the template tag contains the HTML for your component is correct. And which what do you have to include in a component's JavaScript file? So identify is not mandatory. An import statement with a lightning element wrapper with and an export statement with your class name looks correct to me. Now let us see if we are able to earn 100 points. Yes, here you go. So keep subscribing to my channel and look for more videos like this. Thank you.